decision.
1st of February 2020, round 1 of Super Rugby and DHL Newlands in Cape Town, the venue for the Stormers against the Hurricanes. The first time these two sides have met at this ground since 2014. Yankees with the cross kick for Peterson. Brilliant score to open the 2020 season. Wonderful vision from Herschel Yankees.
The call came, Sergio Peterson, there it is, thank you very much, over. First try for the Stormers 2020 Super Rugby.
Puts here in the thick of things there, Yankees waits. Strong leg drive from the Stormers, they have the try.
But good body position from Stephen Kitsoff. Nothing more beautiful than a props try early in the season.
Speaking all about repetition. Much better strike that time, and Willemse on the board. Switching direction, but it's picked up on the bounce by Herschel Yankees. They're not going to stop him now.
With moves like this, Herschel Yankees in that wide position, no one's going to catch him from there. Lack of accuracy, areas punished by the Stormers.
But a very promising first 40 minutes from the home side. Tries for Kitsoff, Yankees and Peterson. 2 conversions by Willemse. Half-time at Newlands. Stormers 19, Hurricanes 0. Willemse in the midfield. Quick ball for Yankees.
On the ball. Joey, just make sure.
Oh, that's high. That's straight hit. That's a straight hit in the throat from Fafita.
You do strike him high, but you do your bit by bending your hips, so we bring it down from red to yellow.
Willemse to push the lead beyond 3 converted tries, which he duly does. Strong enough foundation for Booth, but now the interception is made by Willemse. He's got 2 players in support. Godlin Masimla, one of them. Proctor is doing the corner flagging. Can Willemse go all the way? Oh, yes, he can!
That ball was meant to go to Nani Laumape. They've done the homework. They realize he's the strike runner. Willemse, opportunistic, but the all count. He's looking up. Masimla was next to him. He had the legs to make it.
The Stormers with 3 tries in the first half. One of them scored by that man, Herschel Yankees, who was involved in the scoring of the first by Sergio Peterson as well. Stephen Kitsoff added 1, and then Damian Willemse at the back end of the game. Full time at Newlands. Stormers 27, Hurricanes 0.